Okay, video on general maintenance. Okay, so Phil, we had some information from the termite company that there was some dry rot and other things up at the eaves. But since the eaves are attached to the roofs, we did all the repairs from the bottoms. As you can see, all the fascia board or the eave underneath has been painted. The new band has been painted. The house has been pressure washed as well. And then we went over these doors and get them all nice and clean and painted for Jane. So we painted this whole area as well. Plus we painted a lot of different areas on the stucco throughout the whole home for the general maintenance. But the band's been repainted, the blue band, the eave underneath where the termite holes were underneath is all repainted. Went around, redid all the fascia boards on the homes, all the rust marks that were on the stucco. Bleeding through from the metal, but all this looks beautiful. Oh, and then the front doors, we repainted the front doors because they're peeling. I have your hardware sent out. It's getting replated because it was actually cheaper to replate than buy, and it was hard to find lock sets that actually fit that pattern too. So we're going to leave those, and as we walk around, all the stucco's been touched up throughout. Everywhere. All the fascia board's been redone, posts been redone. So it's been about 3 years, I think, when we actually painted the home. So this was just normal maintenance and wear and tear. All these windows, the paint and everything was peeling off because these get a lot of moisture exposure from the waves pounding up here, and just the splash of the sea salt air or sea salt spray. And then we went over this awning, sanded it really good, kind of got, the best we could to kind of coat over the rust. But we used a rust block application on it, and then we painted after that. So, we gave it a little longer. It was staining the deck pretty bad. And then again, here's your deck and stuff. There's a support in that corner. To hold that up, so I have more information on that. Let's go back here. Again, all the fascia board was redone, all the trim around these windows, the most exposed area to the ocean, the trim was redone, stucco touched up, trim around these windows had to be redone because it's wood, but other than that, pretty much all fascia board complete throughout the whole house. So this door complete, this whole panel section, inside and outside. You got that. All the extra paint's in there. Can it there. So this way it had a lot of holes in the eave too, above there, that we repaired. And we'll go upstairs. So we recoated the deck with the paint because it was already burning through. So now it's all freshly coated, the decking. Painted all these lower flashings all the way around. Down there, metal flashing out here, and then the deck. I don't know, I'm not a videographer. But of course all the eaves were redone, so fascia board. Okay, there you go, that's it.